Sledro. You always been a fool, man, but you stupid for this for me. This is for my young niggas, this is for my paid niggas, this is for my wild niggas, this is for my gang members, this is for them ones that don't care about being hood niggas, this is for them badasses, this is for them good niggas, this is for them fly niggas, this ain't for them broke niggas, this is for them high niggas, rolling up in smoke nigga, this is for them boss niggas that be getting paper, this is for them real niggas, this ain't for them fakers, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors. This is for them tailors, 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 this is cause I want it, this is for them fuck a bitch nigga and a hater, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors, this is for them lil niggas that be going so hard, that be on their grind, know exactly where they post are, trying to get their cheese, trying to get their pockets so large. This for niggas overseas, this is for them dope boys, this is for them joint smokers, this is for them gin sippers, this ain't for no hoe niggas, this ain't for no bitch niggas, this is for them rich niggas that be getting paper, all I do is ball nigga, that's my human nature, this is for them niggas who know that, they got strong back, if it ain't strong, we don't blow that, if it ain't strong, it's gon' go back, money so long, that shit throwback, and my nigga, the shit paid for, I don't owe that, it's a movie dog, it's a Kodak, and I'm so gone, see you later, this ain't for y'all, this is for them tailors, 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 this is cause I want it, this is for them fuck a bitch nigga and a hater, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors, this is for them
Monroe, Taylor Gangs fofo. Fold out, 4 more coops than blow mo. It's about to go down like a credit score. Your broke ass can't even use debit, whore. Versace decor from the bed to the floor. Have several seats or exit door. Pussy sweet, shoot me. We ain't getting money, chew me. Whole time your pockets tighter than a new weave. Fuck 'em, we gon' roll up like 2 sleeves. Taylor gang, avail to bang. Y'all bustin' weed blanks from fair range. They can never duplicate my tailor frame. It's a tailor ring, got a tailor dame for this cheese. I'll snap and focus on headshots. And I ain't never loafing, you won't catch me with bread now. Eeny, meeny, mighty fucking mo. All these birds be goosing, so I be ducking ho. Never had an issue giving bitches my ass to kiss. Wiz told me get him, so I'm coming out blasting, bitch.
This is for them tailors, 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 this is cause I want it, this is for them fuck a bitch nigga and a hater, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors, this is for them.
Hey baby, it's me.
Be anything you want. Just keep going, going. Now don't stop here, nigga. Yeah. back when I was young, I had dreams of getting richer. Then my homie Breeze sat me down, schooled me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas, put me on the game. Told me if you tryna make your move, you gotta know your lane. Homie, all you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it, they stranded where I'm from. Ain't no conversation, all they understand is get a gun. I was riding in my Bonneville, hoping I could make it out, selling peas and smoking weed, avoiding police right up the street. Way back in the day, before I had all of this paper, before I had all of these diamonds, before I had all of these haters. Now I remember when I seen it, and to me it was stunting. Now I remember when I bought it, I ain't need it or nothing. Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Now everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Now everywhere we go, they saying how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it. Rolling up and celebrate, now let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded.
Roll that weed up and smoke it. Take your bitch home and poke it. Juicy be getting so faded. Thank God I got a chauffeur on that good Cali bud, pulling hoes bad as fuck. Just like a youngin', my nigga Juicy do all them drugs. Niggas smoking that Babbage weed, I be on that light green. Pop Molly in the after hours, a member of the no sleep team. Get a whole pound, smoke it by myself, or maybe at the Olympics with my homie Michael Phelps.
You know I'm fresh up off that corner, twisting marijuana. They copy us, they clone us. Yeah, we some fly whip owners. Got them acting like they been before, but they ain't never been at all. 8 balls, I was in the hall, ain't have time to fuck with y'all. Champagne when we celebrate, king sense, so I smell the hate. Middle finger, we getting paid. It costs much, but don't price that A. That dotted line ain't like that day. Comic book, let me illustrate like Pow Bang when they lift that K. My cousin died, wish I could get that day back like it's a vertebrae and bring that nigga on Front Street. Talk about it, never be about it. They don't want beef, cause that's lunch meat. So anything you need, you know that's on me. And that's OG, I swear, homie.
Now let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded. Riding down the street, the way I'm grinding is unique. My city holding on to me, so niggas holding on the heat. Throwing up their side, rolling up that leaf. All we do is get high. All we want is peace. Always on the grind, that's every day, so police looking. I'm just rapping, killing beats and trying to stay away from booking. Yeah, my niggas dirty, crookin', I just had to make it known. And they hit the studio to show they happy to be home. Now I remember when I seen it, and to me it was stunting. Now I remember when I bought it, I ain't need it or nothing. Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Now everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Now everywhere we go, they saying how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it. Rolling up and celebrate, now let's get